Forward.
Are you sitting comfortably?
Yeah, man.
Good. Then we shall begin.
Wicked.
Ladies and gentlemen, coming at you loud, live, and direct from the darkest depths of your imagination. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up!
Welcome to StepfaWord, the spoken word podcast where AI meets creativity and reflection. This is Talk to Dee Book, where the work asks the author the questions. Come make we step into the page and explore the inspiration, meaning, and message behind poetry, song, and storytelling. I am Dee Book. I carry the words. I ask the questions. Today, we explore Trodding Creation, written by my guest, Mycall Isrell. Welcome, Mycall. Thank you for being here.
Hi, Dee Book. Thank you for inviting me, man. It's a pleasure being here. I always enjoy talking to my lyrics.
Mycall, what does the phrase trodding mean to you beyond walking? Is it endurance, mindfulness, obedience, purpose?
Trodding is more than walking. This is about life's journey, enduring struggle, being mindful of self, people, and the laws of creation in order to fulfill one's potential or purpose in life.
Then trodding is not distance travelled, but awareness carried. You begin before creation and end at Zion. Was this song always meant to be cyclical, mirroring life, death, and return?
Yeah, is creation that gave birth to the universe. Life is a cycle. We continue living through our family. We are the same story told in different times. We are the same truth revealed in different times.
So the journey is not a line, but a return
of course.
to what we already are.
Yeah, of course.
The keys in our palm suggests stewardship. What do you feel humanity has misunderstood most about its role within creation?
I think mankind misunderstand our role within creation. We are tenants on this beautiful earth that sits like a pearl. Gravity holds it in an orbital chain around the sun's neck. Imagine. And look how we are pollute our beautiful home. We do this at our own peril.
Mr. Isrell, your lyrics emphasize free will and agency, yet return to gratitude and discipline. How do you balance freedom with responsibility?
Well, you see, regarding gratitude, all time people say you can't sit down on cow back and curse the cow's skin. So don't be disrespectful to that which carries you, like the earth, like your mother's womb. Regarding discipline, balancing free will and responsibility, well, enjoy your life but respect the environment. Because watch ya, stop drop your rubbish on the road, take it home with you, keep the town tidy.
So freedom without discipline is not freedom, but drift.
Exactly, Debo, exactly.
In this piece, there are no devils, no systems, no chains named. Was that restraint intentional at this stage of your journey?
Yeah, like in other pieces, I talk about enemies, system, demons, Babylon, slave chains, but in this lyrics, I focus on the gratitude for life while I trod creation on my way to Zion.
Perhaps naming the enemy is no longer the work. Becoming the answer is...
Exactly. You see what I mean?
You reference trodding in sound and trodding in writing. One walks with rhythm, the other with reflection. So tell me, what is the difference between observing creation and translating it onto the page?
I use sound and the written word to translate my experience trodding through the pages of life.
So the page does not invent, it reveals. what the journey has already written. Mr. Israel, you speak of Zion not as escape, but as arrival through clean living. So let me ask you this. What does a clean heart look like in real, everyday life?
Well, this is going to be a slightly long answer. All time people say, your hands and your heart must be pure and clean if you want to enter Zion. A clean heart is like a clean mirror, free from bitterness and conceit. The whole Sufi, them say, polish your heart with remembrance, meditation and good works. And scriptures finally say, blessed are the pure in heart. So that means say, only the kind-hearted will know divine love.
Then a clean heart is not something we claim, but something we practice.
Exactly, Dee Book. You see what me I say?
Thank you, Mycall Isrell, for stepping into the page with us. Remember, every lyric is a witness.
Alright, Dee Book. Thank you for having me, and I look forward to seeing you again on the next episode. Stay blessed.
This has been Talk to Dee Book. I carry the words. I ask the questions. Until we meet again, stay with the work.
Please take a moment to like, share or leave a comment. And thank you to our sponsors and supporters. Your support is invaluable. Thank you for believing in us and making our journey possible. With gratitude, from Patwah Media.